Looking for one of the best hotel in South Korea? Na walking distance lang going to Gyeongbok Palace and Myeongdong Street? Madami ding coffee shop and convenience store around the area? May mall and train station pagkalabas mo ng hotel? Katabi nyo lang din ang City Hall ng Seoul, Korea! Hi, this is JKMG Travel and let me share you my stay at Hotel President. Upon entering the hotel, the lobby is very spacious and elegant. Checking in is very easy. They just ask for my passport and no deposit required. By the way, if you're planning to go here by a bus from the airport, here's the schedule. My room is located at the 30th floor of the hotel. Look at this view during nighttime. The Seoul Tower is very beautiful. I booked this hotel via Agoda for best rate. And you can get additional discount when you use my promo code AGODAJKMG for additional discount. Nakatipid ka na, naka-travel ka pa. The room has a TV with a cable, a working desk with a Bible inside, a mirror for your OOTD, a heater, a chill area with an amazing view, a hidden refrigerator for the aesthetic. They also have motion sensored lights. Every day, you'll get to have a complimentary tea, coffee, and water with heater. The storage area is very spacious with a vault inside. The indoor sleepers are very comfy too. The room also has an international outlet for the guest convenience. If you have a lot of items to charge, this is very helpful. This room is 35 square meter big, and wait, let me show you this amazing bathroom. Comb, shower cup, vanity kit, shower gel, and shampoo and conditioner are also provided by the hotel. A hot and cold shower with a bathtub. And my favorite, this high-tech toilet na may seat heater, adjustable bidet, and blower. If that's not enough, may fully equipped gym, a Korean restaurant, a self-service lounge na kung saan pwede ka mag-laundry, mag-refill ng water at gumamit ng oven for free, and may vending machine din for your hygiene and laundry needs. Kaya, if you want a comfortable and convenient stay in Seoul, Korea, book Hotel President via Agoda and use my promo code AGODAJKMG to see the world for less. Follow for more mga ka-travel!